Hey, this is another unplanned video. I was actually supposed to do something different today, but when I came home my dad was here, so I couldn't do it. So I'll have to do it on a day when no one is home. Yeah, I'm sorry. I had a key club meeting, so I got back late. But I have a replacement video that was supposed to happen next week, but I had it ready yesterday, so I'll do it today instead of the video I was supposed to do. And I think it's weird if I send you 2 videos a day. So for Valentine's 2 weeks, I'll be sending you 2 videos in one. So it's just an extra long video. So, actually, yeah. Well, for my replacement one, actually this isn't even a replacement. This was the written thing. I told you like 14 videos, 1 written, and 1 voicemail. This is written, but apparently it's more better if I read it to you out loud, because it's more meaningful. I wrote you a poem, and I would prefer not to read it out loud, but I'm going to now, because I want it to be meaningful, even though it sounds like a kindergartner wrote it. I can't even rhyme. Like, half of my words don't really rhyme. So, not that they're supposed to all rhyme, but still, the ones that were supposed to don't. And I have to read it, so it's gonna be here with me. Let's see. Don't laugh at me for being corny. I was in a corny moment, in a corny mood, and I feel like being corny sometimes. So, shut it. Now I feel weird. Okay. So it says, I remember that room we met at the start, just curious children, soon to be friends. Since then I've fallen, you have my heart. So if I'm ill, your love can mend. In your arms I find a home. You are my penguin, mi amor. With you I feel that I am known. You're one I'll always hold and adore. So now my low, if I may, take your hand and ask that you stay. I'll be alright as long as you stay mine. So AJ darling, be my valentine. Yeah, that's awkward and short, but that was my corny moment that I wrote down in my interior design class. So, sorry, my face itches. And yeah, I'm gonna leave a typed version in the description so you can read it and not listen to me say it. Because, yeah. And for my random video, just for the heck of it, because I want you to see me every day. Sounds horrible, I know. But I guess we will live through this. Random things. I don't know what to show you. I know what I'm going to show you tomorrow, but it's way back there and I don't want to get it. And I just thought about it. So, for today's random item on my desk, a birdhouse. That is my random item of the day. See it? It has a little star for my birds that are in my room. Maybe my chicken can eat out of this. Or you can with the chicken. Because, you know, you guys are twins. There's my random item the day. Yeah. Oh, I got this out because my mom took my Transformers shirt and I don't know where she put it, so I was digging through like my summer clothes so I could find it. And instead I found this shirt, so look. So there was this place, okay, let me explain. It's called like the Pink House, and they were giving out free shirts. And you gotta choose like 5 letters to put on the shirt, and it was for your high school or college or whatever. And I did not have a chosen college at that moment, and Michigan has way too many letters. So instead, kind of like my crayon, it says Mich. See it? yeah, Mish. So it is my shirt that someone made me because I will be going to Mish. Yeah. Now this is awkward again. Yeah. I do not know what to say. Oh, okay. There was this teacher that was like, I forgot, my history teacher was talking about it. So apparently some teacher in like Kentucky or some kind of awkward state out in the distance, he got fired or something like that because he peed in front of his class. Like, literally took a piss in a trash can. That was my interesting story of the day. And we were talking about dictators and stuff, and someone thought Tojo didn't exist, which was funny. And he told us that one African American guy that was gonna fight after Pearl Harbor said that on his gravestone it said, "I died a black man killing yellow men for white men." And I thought that was funny too. And then the stupid blonde in front of me goes, "What's a yellow man?" And yeah, she's not very intelligent. And I hope she never finds this video, because she definitely knows I'm talking about her. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to do. Here. Oh, these are gay paper clips. Okay, never mind. I was gonna make a heart, but it's all lopsided. So, paper clips don't agree with me. I bought this because of you. It's a crayon box, and I bought it because there's an octopus on it. See him? He's all happy and excited for school. Yeah. I have dragon statues. Look at them. They're fighting each other. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna shut this off now, because God, I feel stupid. Anyways, I hope you had a good second day of February. And I am going to message you now. I say that in all of my videos, but it's only because I'm constantly not messaging you because I'm doing these. And yeah. Oh, yeah. Vampire Diaries is definitely better than Scrubs. I'm just gonna point that out now. But Scrubs is still funny. I still love Scrubs. And I am going to go now. Yep, almost hitting that 9 minutes. Hopefully my next video will be a little longer, or shorter. Actually, shorter is good, because I rant on and make awkward sounds when I don't know what to say. Yeah. Okay, I love you. Bye.